We have 58 odds today over market. Let's get started. The first game we have today is in international friendly where Bohemian Prague is taking on Banik Ostrava. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals, and then these games you'll find them in the Czech Republic League One. Also, the second game here is in same league, Czech Republic League One, a game between Dynamo 6 taking on SK Sigma Olomouc, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Next game we have is in international friendly where Austria Regensburg taking on Kirkuk Rezispor, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. If you need today's premium to us, kindly comment I am interested in the comment section and then share this post. If you don't share this post, you will not receive it. And when I say comment, some of you will comment, then I will send you the game. You will not open your inbox to see it. So open your Facebook inbox because I'll send it directly to your inbox and you see it. And then moving on, we have the next game in Sweden where Örebro SK is taking on Ogrid IS, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in international friendly where Asteras Tripoli is taking on Apo Alavidos, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in Poland A division where MKS Pogon is taking on Corona Kielce, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Moving on, we have another game in Switzerland where Lugano is taking on Grasshopper Club Zurich, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in Estonia where Panu JK is taking on JK Nava, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Next one we have is in Iceland where Tor Akureyri is taking on Trotor Reykjavik, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Here we have another game here in the Chile Division 2 where Rotaro is taking on CD Provincial, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Moving on, we have a game here in the Scotland League where they are playing a game between Dundee United taking on AYR United, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Next one we have is in international friendly where Royal Antwerp is taking on Parma, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Today we have a lot of games going on. That is why I have to select this game so much like this, and I believe it will sell through. I want to say congratulations to everyone that has been winning. We had back-to-back winning, and then these are some of the winning tickets, which I have a lot here. I have over 1,000 tickets here. So you've been winning with us. Kindly share your winning ticket in the comment section. Okay, guys. Moving on, we have another game here in the Mexico division where Club Santos Lugano is taking on Tigres, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We have another one between KRC Genk taking on Lille in the international friendly, over 1.5 goals. Then another one here is the game between Trofens taking on AVS Football Sad, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. This is the only over 2.5 goals in this ticket, and you find this game in the international friendly. The next one we have is a game between Makeba Haifa taking on Upwell Beer, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. You find this game in Israel League. And then the next one we have is a game between Stal Talowa taking on Gonic Reshna, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. And you find this game in Poland. Then the next one we have is a game between Dukla Prague taking on Victoria Prison, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. You find this game in Czech Republic League One. Then we have another game here in the international rather Belgium Super Cup, a game between Club Brugge taking on Union St. Gilloise, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The last game we have in this ticket is a game between Los Chancas taking on Comerciantes Unido in the Peru League One, over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 20 matches, um, 58 odds. If you are part of those people that don't like to play long ticket, and you can as well select this game or do your own edit and drop the booking code in the comment section. So this is the booking code for this game. Remember, if you need today's two odds, kindly comment I'm interested and then share this post. If you don't share this post, you will not get it. And then check your inbox and you will see the game. Thank you so much, and then I'll see you guys after the game. And remember to bet responsibly.